Today we will discuss the another feature of Lightroom, which is colors. So in this, first of all, on the top left side there is a B and W, which means black and white. If we click on that, the picture will be changed into black and white. You can see here. So there is other option, white balance, and if we click on as short, then it will give the white balance as it is. If we click on auto, then Lightroom will auto adjust the light balance. So after that there is a option temperature. Here we can increase or decrease the temperature. After that there is option of tint, vibrance, and saturation. So I'm not going to any detail because I have discussed all of the features in Snapseed, because it also has same features like Snapseed. Another feature which is called mix. So what suppose we click on orange color, and first of all there is option hue will basically change the orange color in the picture. Let's suppose you can see here it changes the orange color to green. Here it changed the orange color to red. After that there is a option saturation. You can increase or decrease saturation of the colors that are in the picture. And what is luminance? Luminance is the brightness of colors. If we increase it, the orange. So let's suppose we want to change any color which we don't know which color it is. So first we will then we will slide left or right. So you can see here the colors have changed. We can increase or decrease its saturation also, and we can increase or decrease its luminance. So there is another pen tool here. If we click on pen tool, it will change the white balance according to that point. So that's it.